Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Everyone's Story. So a few hours ago Pokemon Company has released the official title and release date of episode 40, 41, 42, 43. That's have a lots of interesting and mind-blowing information to cover. But before that I suggest you to subscribe this channel if you guys want to updated about this Pokemon journey. And now let me jump straight to the video. Okay, let's start our discussion from episode 40. The title, Versus Thunder Legendary Raid Battle. So from title it clear that we are going to see a legendary raid battle in this episode. And from the word thunder and from the scan it clear that the legendary Pokemon who is going to be appear in this episode is Zapdos. And also I have a translation which say, Satoshi and Go have a raid battle with the assistance of unexpected helpers. So it's tricky now. Because there is an unexpected helpers with Ash and Go. Although Zapdos is going to appear in this episode. And for that there is some who believe that Ash could catch him or maybe Go could catch him. But I am not going for any conclusion of it because it's a legendary Pokemon. Maybe no one will catch him. And also there is a theory which suggests Mew could be the one who transformed himself into Zapdos and will come there. But its chances are very low. Whatever this episode is going to released on 9th of October Friday. Since I was telling you from my previous two videos that day of episode has been changed. That's why we will find a gap between episode 39 and episode 40. Although let's discuss about episode 41 title. Pikachu's Great Dubbing Operation. Half a Marshtomp. So from title it seems that again a episode is going to be focused on Pikachu. And also we are going to see a Marshtomp in this episode. Since after seeing the title. This scene that we saw in the new opening is now clear that it is from this episode. And also we have a speculation that suggests Brock could make his return in this episode. And if not then maybe Go or Ash will catch Marshtomp. But again it's just a speculation. Although the release date of episode 41 is on the 16th of October Friday. And now let's discuss about episode 42 title. Sword and Shield 1 Slumbering Forest. So now as I told you guys in my previous video that from episode 42 the Sword and Shield arc is going to be start. Or I say the darkest day is going to be start. And if you guys has not watched my previous video then first see that video. Because after that you will understand what I am saying now in this video. Although in episode 42 we are see Ash and Go has come Slumbering Forest for investigation. Because they get the news that some Pokemon has become Gigantamax and running wild here and there. And they will end up finding that an organization is trying to bring back the Dark Knight. And now let's discuss about episode 43 which was going to release on 30th of October. Since I told earlier in my previous video that this all episodes are going to be connected. Or you can say part by part. Although the title, Sword and Shield 2 Black Knight. So now the evil organization has successful to bring the Black Knight. And now our heroes Ash and Go will try to stop them with Leon and Sonia. And also try to solve some kind of puzzle to send the Black Knight back. And now the episode to be continued. Because we don't have the next episode titles. And by the way we don't have the summary of the episode whose title we have. So we have to wait for some more details about the upcoming episodes. And now this is the end of this video. If you guys enjoy the video then don't forget to subscribe this channel. And also you guys can follow me on Twitter. Thanks for watching.